In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use curves versus levels in Adobe Photoshop, and I'll even share a secret technique to elevate your photo editing skills. As many of you know, adjusting brightness and contrast is a fundamental part of crafting compelling images, and Photoshop provides two robust tools to accomplish this: curves and levels. While they might seem similar at first glance, understanding the differences and uses of each can really make your images stand out. First, let's dive right into Photoshop. Once you have it open, we're going to start by adding the image you want to enhance. Simply navigate to the File menu and choose Open, select your image, and bring it into the working space. Make sure you're working on a copy of your image to preserve the original. Next, direct your attention to the Layers panel on the right side of your screen. You'll find an icon that looks like a half black and half white circle. This is your Adjustments panel. Clicking this will present you with different options to modify your image. From here, let's explore curves by selecting it from the list. Curves is an incredibly powerful tool because it provides greater flexibility and control over individual tonal ranges within your image. When you open the curves adjustment layer, you'll see a graph with a straight line running from the bottom left to the top right. This line represents your image's tone distribution from shadows to highlights. By clicking and placing points along this line, you can adjust specific segments of tonal range, whether it's subtly brightening a specific shadow or deepening a highlight for dramatic effect. Now let's move on to levels. Returning to the Adjustments panel, click on Levels. Levels offers a more straightforward approach compared to curves, utilizing a histogram to adjust midtones, shadows, and highlights globally across the image. You'll notice three sliders beneath the histogram. Each one offers you quick modifications to get the right exposure balance. Slide the left slider to darken shadows, the right slider to brighten highlights, and the middle slider for adjusting the overall tone balance of your image. And here's the secret technique: combining the power of curves and levels for fine-tuned image enhancement. Start with curves to achieve specific tonal effects, then use levels for a final polish, balancing the overall exposure. Experiment with the curves graph to apply unique color effects or silhouette adjustments, and finalize it with levels for shadows and brightness corrections. This combination empowers you to unlock a whole new level of image editing creativity. So there you have it. By understanding and leveraging both curves and levels, you can bring out the best in your images and create professional quality edits. Keep practicing, and soon you'll see just how much your Photoshop skills can improve. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.